Welcome back. Now that we've covered what anthropology is and its scope, it's time to dive into its history. Anthropology, as a formal discipline, has a rich and evolving history. Let's explore how it began and the thinkers who shaped it. Anthropology, as we know it today, began to take shape in the 19th century, but its roots go much deeper. Ancient Greek philosophers like Herodotus and Hippocrates were among the first to record observations about different cultures and peoples. However, it wasn't until the Enlightenment era in the 18th century that systematic studies of human societies began to emerge. During the Enlightenment, European thinkers were fascinated by the idea of understanding humanity through reason and observation. This period saw the rise of natural history, where scholars began to classify and compare different cultures, often in the context of colonial exploration. Let's meet some of the key figures who laid the groundwork for modern anthropology. Franz Boas, who lived between 1858 and 1942. Often called the father of American anthropology, Franz Boas was a pioneer in cultural anthropology. He challenged the then dominant idea of cultural evolutionism, advocating instead for cultural relativism, the idea that each culture should be understood on its own terms. Bronislaw Malinowski, living around 1884 and 1942. Malinowski is best known for his method of participant observation, where the anthropologist lives among the people they study, participating in their daily life. His work in the Trobriand Islands revolutionized ethnographic fieldwork. Margaret Mead, who lived between 1901 and 1978. Margaret Mead was a prominent cultural anthropologist whose studies in Samoa and New Guinea challenged Western views on gender roles and adolescence. Her work popularized anthropology and brought it to a broader audience. Claude Lévi-Strauss, who lived around 1908 and 2009. A leading figure in structural anthropology, Lévi-Strauss introduced the idea that underlying structures in human thought influence cultural practices. His work on myths and kinship systems had a profound impact on anthropology. These key figures, among others, have shaped anthropology into the diverse and dynamic field it is today. Their contributions laid the foundation for the ways we study and understand human culture, societies, and biology. As we move forward in this course, we'll continue to build on their legacy and explore the many dimensions of anthropology. Thank you for joining this journey through the history of anthropology. In the next lesson, we'll explore the various research methods that anthropologists use to gather data and insights about human life. See you there.